The FX-888DX constant temperature soldering station, a flagship model from Japan's Hakko, is, according to Hakko's official statement, the most popular product among American users in 2024. Compared to the earlier, highly acclaimed FX-951, which used an integrated heating element, the FX-888DX can be described as a pragmatic and rational return. An amazing and exciting piece of news is that for general users who don't plan to spend a lot of money, the H-20T, a highly cost-effective portable constant temperature soldering station, is undeniably an irresistibly compelling choice. First, the H-20T has a heating time of within 18 seconds, slightly faster than the FX-888DX's 20 seconds. Second, the H offers a temperature adjustment range of HA-600 degrees Celsius, making it exceptionally well suited for soldering metal components at temperatures exceeding 500 degrees Celsius. Third, the H-20T offers two-stage automatic sleep modes, including low-temperature standby and complete deactivation of the heating function. Fourth, H-20T's unique grounding detection alarm ensures safe welding of sensitive components. Fifth, the H-20T delivers an instantaneous maximum power of up to 345 watts, exceptionally powerful. Sixth, the H-20T operates on a voltage range of AC 90 to 265 volts, making it universally compatible worldwide. Uses the most cost-effective 9-ohm soldering tip, offering perfect adaptability, versatility, and economy. Absolutely critical is that the H-20T's price is less than one-third that of the FX-888DX. Finally, here's an energy-saving secret. The H-20T's average power consumption is only about 20 watts. Practical, user-friendly, versatile, durable, minimalist design, badass performance. Worth choosing.